X3, maximizing flexibility. The X3 is ideal for product development, scale-up, clinical manufacturing, mid-range production, and continuous manufacturing. The innovative, self-contained design of the X3 offers a wide range of installation options, including a portable platform that allows the machine to be moved from room to room, or the conventional installation in compression suite, or the installation through the wall. In this case, the rear of the machine is placed through the wall. The service of the electrics and main energies connections can be done from the technical zone with no disturbance in the production zone. The X3 design offers a single layer only and a flexible single and bi-layer capability in 2 machine models that share a common platform and fully interchangeable components. KORSCH offers fully engineered and turnkey OEB3 and OEB4 or 5 wash-in-place solutions on the X3 tablet press. KORSCH engineers are expert in developing the concept, execution, integration, and final SMEPAC testing to fully validate the containment capability.